Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 19-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Espresso brown, ginger beige, MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, powered tailgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, pull down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. Touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 29,978 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.